Hi everyone, I am Arun Julkar and today we'll talk about how to clean data. Cleaning data using trim command. Trim remove extra spaces either between leading or trailing. In B7 cell, name is Arun Julkar and in between we have 4 spaces. So the length of this whole text is 4 plus 4 spaces plus 5 letters, it is 13. I want to remove the extra spaces in between, so I will use here equal trim command and use B7 here. It removes extra spaces. Earlier we have 4 spaces, but now we have only 1 space. We can check this with the help of length. Length function returns the length of the specified string. If I use say length of B7, so earlier length is 13. Now the length is, after using trim command, length of D7. Now the length is 10. Now it removes extra 3 spaces. If we use the same command in all the cell, see this, it removing the extra spaces, either they are in leading or in between, right? And similarly, you can check the length of all the cells. Earlier length is 13, 15, 24, 15, 19 and 19. But now, after using trim command, the length is in all the cell is 10. Because my name consists of 9 letters and there's a 1 space in between. Thank you.